Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your landing page, your website to a GROOVEFUNNELS subdomain. So this tutorial is good for those who are on the free plan. So this is a website I've created already and I'll use it to show you how to connect a subdomain for the first time. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you find value in this tutorial. And also, if you don't have account with GROOVEFUNNELS yet, the link in the description below. After watching this video, you can click on it and check it out. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, so to do so, click on this and set Groove Pages subdomain. But if you have your own domain, you're gonna click this, but that's another video, so we'll get into that later. So click on set Groove Pages subdomain. So warning, changing will move all your existing sites to the new subdomain. So what this means is if you have a subdomain already and you want to change it, it's gonna change everything. So let's say I have a subdomain already, let's say affiliatemarketing.groovepages.com. Right now, if I change it to, let's say, Blogsdom, that means all your pages that you've connected on, let's say, the affiliatemarketing.groovepages.com, everything will change to this. So if you've given your link to somebody, they might not be able to, get to that page. So that is the warning. Now, one thing I would like to advise you about, you are entitled to one subdomain only, meaning if you create this, that's it. The rest of the pages that you'll be creating, which is unlimited, is gonna be, let's say for example, blogsdom.groovepages.com/how to make money online. Okay, and the list goes on. So just for you to know that, click on set. Alright, so click on it. Alright, so right now blogsdom.groovepages.com is subdomain. So now we're gonna create multiple files under this subdomain. So it's gonna be blogsdom.groovepages.com/ whatever name I wanna give to this. Affiliate marketing. Alright, or you can GROOVEFUNNELS. Alright, so I'll call it GROOVEFUNNELS. It's not connected yet. When it connects, this color will change. Alright, so click on this and publish. Site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within few minutes but may take longer. Alright, so let's click on this to see. Boom, it's working. Okay, so this is it. Let's try this and see. Oh, okay, that's good. Alright, so this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Click on it and create your free account. But I advise you to upgrade and enjoy the unlimited features that GROOVEFUNNELS has to offer. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.